Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word haystack in depth. First, the definition. Haystack means a large pile of hay stored for animal feed or decoration. Think of it simply as a big, fluffy mountain of dried grass. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Haystack traces back to the phrase needle in a haystack, first appearing in the 1600s to describe something hard to find. Over time, it's been used by farmers and storytellers alike. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use haystack in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The farmer found the lost ring in the haystack after searching for hours. Correct example 2. She hid the treasure map inside the haystack before the game started. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to eat the haystack, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using haystack correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Haystack means a large pile of hay stored for animal feed or decoration. It comes from the phrase, needle in a haystack, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with haystack down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.